Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by selecting the text you want to change, so Word applies the new font exactly where you need it. Once selected, move to the Home tab and focus on the font group. This is where font name, size, and quick styles live. Make sure to use Ctrl+A when you mean the entire document to avoid missed paragraphs. If the font dialog launcher is visible, click it to reveal advanced options like character spacing and effects before you proceed to choose a font. Now choose the font name from the drop-down and immediately set the size and style to match your layout goals. You can toggle bold or italic for emphasis. Once done, open the font dialog for nuanced controls, character spacing, ligatures, and open type features, which affect readability and line breaks. If prior formatting interferes, use clear formatting first to reset to normal style, then reapply the new font so changes are consistent. Make sure to preview on screen. To finish, decide whether this is a one-off change or a document-wide update. Choose Set as Default for all new documents or update the normal/heading styles to enforce consistency. If Word reports a missing font, install it in your operating system and restart Word so the app can load the new files. If text still renders oddly, check the language setting, confirm font embedding when sharing, and clear font caches. These steps resolve most display issues without reformatting every paragraph.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.